Hi friends, hi YouTube. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup, and I love color stories that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. But if you do, if you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together. What can I threaten you with today so that you subscribe? I don't know. I feel like the world kind of sucks a lot right now that it isn't even worth it at this moment. So you're gonna get by. You're gonna get eased by on this one for today. This is only the second time, so feel thankful. Today I am doing a collab with Hursa here. I am just super excited about this one. This one's gonna be a lot of fun. It's something completely different than I've ever done. It's a top 3 in certain categories that she picked out. This is inspired by Julia Adams. I will have her video on that and the playlist that she has about this linked down below, along with Hursa's video and her channel linked down below. So if you want to see my top 3 in a bunch of different makeup categories, then let's get into it. Also, I am incredibly sorry if I seem down or off. It's been a hard couple of days for like no reason. I'm in like the happiest moment of my life and my brain's just like you thought. Yeah. Life is, yeah. It's weird up here for right now. But like I said, we're going to be doing the top 3. We have a bunch of different categories. We have eyeshadow palettes, single eyeshadows, lipsticks, blushes, highlighters, eye pencils, lip liners, lip glosses, eyebrushes. We just have a bunch of things that we're going to be covering and talking about our top 3 in each category. I might swatch some of this. Otherwise, I'm just going to like kind of just show you it. I don't know if I'm going to get around to putting things in the description box from this video, but if I do, they will be down there. And then not affiliate because, yeah. I'm going to start with, I think, the part that I think everybody already knows, and that is the eyeshadow palette. Again, we're just doing top 3. This one was a really difficult one to pick out, hence why there's 4, because I couldn't pick. Okay, I know that it's top 3, but I genuinely, honestly could not pick. So we're just going to have to deal with it. So the 2 that came in tied are Wilderness by Beauty Bay and the Secret Garden palette from Bella Beauty Bar. I absolutely love and adore these both so incredibly much. The other 2 were like obvious ones, but trying to figure out the one that was going to be the 3rd was just really difficult. So this is Wilderness. Again, if you've heard me talk about this one, I just absolutely love it. It's an insane color story. It's so beautifully curated. It's just everything and more. But so is this one. This is Secret Garden from Bella Beauty Bar. I just love this one. The formula is amazing. The shadows are amazing. Like, the color story is just there. Like, it's so freaking amazing. Hence why I couldn't choose between these 2. The other 2 are just going to be incredibly obvious if you've been here for a bit. But yeah, these are tied for number 3. Also, I'm sorry. I'm not wearing makeup. I'm kind of split between 2 houses at the moment. This is where my filming stuff, my makeup is, until we get to the other location. This is just what it's going to be for right now. So there's that. And I just don't feel like putting makeup on. Like, right here is just not happy with me. But yeah, anyways, moving on. These 2, I think, are going to be incredibly obvious. Y'all already know that. Like I said, if you've been here, you know. But number 2 is the Gargo palette from Unearthly. It's a stunning palette. It's beautiful. It's stunning. It just is amazingly created and amazingly formulated. And we've got some really amazing pretty shimmers in here. So yeah, that is the other one. And this one is going to be just incredibly obvious if you've been here and if you just even take a look at me. It is the Harvest of Souls palette from Fantasy Cosmetica. This is like my all-time favorite palette now. I love the color story. I love the formula, and this is insane. I just got 2 other palettes, yeah, from this brand, and I'm super excited to play with them. I'm probably going to order the Monk coming up here at some point, but yeah, this is the color story for this one, and it's like my top favorite of all time, and it probably won't ever be replaced, to be quite perfectly honest with you. Moving on, we have single eyeshadows. I have it in this Bath & Body box right here because why not? I have not used many single eyeshadows. I have gotten a couple from like a good amount from Fantasy Cosmetica when I got their mystery bundle, and then I think I have one from like Sinful Echoes. But at the moment I don't have a pan for them, so I've not not a pan, like, oh my god, a palette for them, so I've not taken them out and played with them. I need to get on that and find something to put them in so I can play with them. But I have played with these. These are just going to be what it is, and these are the Super Shock shadows from ColourPop. I have played with these some. I have not played with single eyeshadows enough for me to really have like a feel for this category. But I have this one right here. Again, they're all from ColourPop. This is Obvi. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Then I have Eyeing You. This was from their Haunted Mansion collection. And then I have this one, which is called Health Nut, which is just absolutely gorgeous. Again, I have not played with a lot of single eyeshadow, and I don't know if Super Shock shadows count for this category, but it's just going to be what it be, because I don't really venture out from palettes that much, to be quite perfectly honest with you. Maybe I can and should soon, but I digress. Next is liquid lipstick. This is probably one of my favorite categories. Yeah, I have been really falling in love with lipstick as of late, especially this past year. So I'm just super excited for these. These are all from Unearthly. I think Unearthly has one hell of an incredible lipstick formula. Sometimes there is a little bit of a tingly feeling, but it goes away and they last a long ass time. So I have, like I said, 3 here. This is Delight. This was like their older version. I don't know if this one is still available, but I think I got this one in like a mystery box. But they have a bunch of neutrals out now that are coming. You know what? I'm not going to swatch. Maybe I will. I'll swatch the lips. I feel like the eyeshadows are kind of obvious. And I've already moved past it. But yeah, that is Delight. Like I said, I'm all over the place. I don't know what's going on with me. I think it's just like a bunch of changes is just like really getting to me. And then this was Cathedral Rose. These 2 are from the Gargo collection. They're just freaking amazing. It's that one. It's just a stunning color. And these 3 are my most used lipsticks too. And this one is Shadow Veil. I love them so freaking much. There's that. They're all just so incredibly stunning and just amazing, and I really do love them. Next, I have cream blushes. I don't have a bunch of makeup outside of eyeshadow. Like, I mostly just buy eyeshadow, so like a lot of these categories were really hard to fill out, because once I have like face products, like I really don't change. Like, we weren't going to do foundations because I only have like 1 or 2, you know. And I don't know if these will even count as cream blushes, but I'm going to count them. These are the REM Beauty cheek and lipsticks. This is Chorus Girl. And then the other one is Callback. So those are that is Chorus Girl, and the pink one is Callback. I really like these. They blend in so beautifully too. Like, they're incredibly amazing. And then I had to choose something else for this because I only have 2 of those, and I haven't really used these except for like swatching these, but I liked this color the most, so I just picked this one. This is from Cosmic Beauty. It looks like this. Again, something that I have not necessarily like played with enough. I'm a creature of habit, so when I play with things and like I have things and I realize that they work, I tend to stay with them. Next is powdered blushes. I don't know if palettes count, but again, like I said, I don't have a bunch in all these categories because creature of habit. But this one will be an obvious. It is the Blend Buddy Juicy Cheeks palette. I really love this one. I've used every single color in this one, and they all work so amazing. They just blend in beautifully. I really love and adore it. Next, I have the REM Beauty Sad Matte Blush in Strawberry Nebula. their blushes are insane, and they're really something that I really want to pick up more of this year. They are just absolutely incredible. They're buttery and they blend in incredibly well. And then last but not least for this is the Surrender palette from Unearthly Cosmetics. This was in one of their mystery boxes. I used this as my blush for like the longest time before I got the Juicy Cheeks palette. Hence why this is here, because I did used to love and adore this one. It is a tad bit old, but yeah, it looks like this. There's a little bit of glowing. These are the glowing blush palette. I absolutely love and adore all of them, but I think I used this one or this one the most. I can't say which one I used the most in Juicy Cheeks, but I'm guessing it's probably, there's not even like a pan, it's like an indent in any of these. So I'm guessing it might be raw or mouth-watering, one of the two. Either way, I love them both. Next is highlighters. This one's gonna be a freaking obvious, if we're being quite perfectly honest here, my friends. One of them is a palette, but if you've been here, I feel like you already know, and that is the Noctilucent palette from Blend Bunny. I have 3 of these, but there's a lot of work and panage in this one. I absolutely love and adore this one. It's so freaking good. I love it just so much. Again, hence why I have 3. I'm still very pissed off that they have gotten rid of it, which is kind of funny. But that's also why I have 3, because I ordered more once I knew that they were getting rid of it. But yeah, this is these ones, and they're just absolutely gorgeous. I love them so much. There's a bunch of just amazingness in it. I just love it. 2 highlighters that I have are both from Glamlight. This one is the Coca-Cola highlighter. It is just absolutely stunning. We've got a good little pink tinge to it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. And then the other one is the Friday the 13th one, which looks like this. I think Glamlight absolutely smashes it with their highlighters. They're just incredible, and I'm wanting to pick up more from them again. Maybe not palette wise, but I really have been liking their, like I said, their highlighters. Next is eye pencils. 2 of them are from NYX and 1 of them is from ColourPop. So the ColourPop one is the cream gel liner in Wildcat. It is this little gray, not gray, gold right there. It's kind of almost like green leaning. And these next 2 are from NYX. This is the one in Pink Spirit, and then the other one is Emerald Empire. And those are those. Like, they just are absolutely amazing. I really want to get more liners this year and like kind of just fill out that instead of having like the same ones. But yeah, those are my top 3 favorites. Very wicked, very very fitting. I love it. Next is lip liners. We've got some variety on this one, not color wise, but variety brand wise. This is from Glamlight. I'm pretty sure this is from their Cinnamon Swirl. They did not label the freaking stuff, which is bullshit. But it's just like this like nice dark brown right here. I really loved pairing it with the lip that came with it. Like I said, I think it's the cinnamon one. Next is this Melt Perfectionist Lip Pencil in Esperanza. This is probably the only melt thing that I have left. I do not like melts. One of their palettes had mold in it, and I was just like, I'm not doing it. I'm over it. I got rid of everything from the brand. And this other one is the Lippy Pencil Over the Hills from ColourPop X Frosty. It looks like that. It is just absolutely gorgeous. Again, a lot of these, I don't know, I feel like a lot of these tones are very conflicting with one another, but that's okay. I'm really just like hammering through this, and I'm like really sorry. Again, I'm very all over the place. I'm hoping that that gets fixed soon. I might just need to go take a nap. The next category is lip glosses. I have 2 from Bella Beauté Bar and 1 from NYX. This is the Milk the Cocoa gloss. I really like this one. It's very comfortable. It's a lot of fun. I've been really liking it for like my more neutral lip looks. And then, like I said, the next 2 are from Bella Beauté Bar. This is the Lip Dewy Gloss in Love Bite. I really want to play with this more. I've kind of been like not playing with it just because like I'm kind of intimidated by it, but like the couple times that I've used it, I've really liked it. And it is that it is a little bit duochromy. It's a little bit shifty. I really like it. And then the other one is this one in Hypnotic. This is stunning. It's breathtaking. I want to bathe in it and be it. And it's that pink one right there. Like, it's just absolutely stunning and I love it. And then last but not least, our last category is eye brushes, but I included a face brush because we said that we could. I love all my brushes the same, kind of. But it was just really hard to pick this, so I just kind of like did a mishmash of things. So I have my two favorite eye brushes, which is the Refer 13. And then if you've been here, you already know this one. This is the Refer 21. This is my go-to shimmer brush. I absolutely love and adore this one. It just applies stuff so beautifully, so amazing, and I really like it. And then this is the Unearthly A3. After I've done like my foundation and then I put like my blush here, I like to take this A3 and it just blends things in beautifully together. It makes everything so seamless. It really has made me like help fall in love with my face makeup. And then the Sonia Kashuk tool, like it's the number 4 one. I've had this for years, but that has been just such a game changer for my foundation, and those two brushes paired together have just been so incredibly amazing for finally figuring out my face makeup, and I'm just really happy with that. My goodness, this was a lot of talking for me and I'm kind of tired. I feel bad. I feel like my past couple collabs with people have just sucked, and I'm really sorry. So I'm sorry to Fash for when I forgot the questions we were supposed to do, to Jan when we were supposed to do the bingo, which I need to film the one that we have. Wait, no, I already filmed that one. See, I'm all over the place. And then to Hersa because I feel like I could have done better with this. I digress, but we're just gonna have to deal with it, and I can always do another one with her and maybe feel better about it. But if you made it to this point of the video, thank you guys so incredibly much for watching. It means the world to me that as much of a shit show as I am right now, that you guys are watching my content and you know, just being here. It really does mean the absolute world to me, so thank you guys so incredibly much. A couple things before you go though. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic, don't be transphobic, don't be racist. It is 2025. Pull your head out of your ass and do freaking better. And remember to be taking enough food, enough water, enough nutrients, to be doing like self-care days and be taking care of yourself. You matter. You need to remember that, and you need to be doing things for you because life sucks sometimes, and yeah. And life, it doesn't even suck for me right now. I'm kind of just meh, you know? Life can be a lot. Good changes are still a lot of changes, and it still can fuck with you. But it is what it is. Again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you guys so incredibly much. Thank you for being here, for dealing with my bullshit, for dealing with me being just off. So again, thank you guys so much. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see your cute face next time.